Hi guys, I want to show an unboxing video. So this is a Mitsubishi electric. It's a TO-ST1-T toaster. It's a very interesting toaster that I found on YouTube and I thought to order it for myself. So you can see here there's some. It's actually straight from Japan, so the voltage is going to be 100 volts. I sell the transformer for you to use it. I mean, in case if you're in Malaysia, then you can just convert 100 volts to 230 or 240 volts to be used here. So this is the recipes that you can do with this. I need to translate this from Japanese later. Some instruction manual. This is to take out the toast from the toaster. And let me put this down. So this is how it looks like. I guess I need to translate this later. But yeah, this is where you put the toast, and there's like all sort of controls that you can adjust here for different toast levels. And yeah, looks pretty interesting. There's the behind. Bottom, this is how it looks like. So yeah, there you go.